Today's winnings was a 2010 Cord. We don't know the model just yet. All it had was well, we have to revise it, but it seems like a bad axle. Might need some suspension work. We'll have to see. That'll be with furtherance for 3.2.
Oh, 32?
Yeah, 32.
Oh, dang, man.
Yeah.
Shit, what year is it?
2010.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
$7,000?
Yeah, around there.
That's the only thing that's wrong?
Yeah, hopefully. We have to revise it better.
AC works just fine.
That just needs some cleanup. That's the average thing with like these auction cars. You need to maintenance them after, clean them up. Usually the rotors are rusty. Sometimes you could get away if they just clean up. Yeah, this is a pretty good buy. We got it for 3,200, sorry. Just loading up the car on the tow truck. Seems like it has a broken ball joint also, so we had to get a flatbed tow truck. I'm on top of that car currently. It's not always going to be easy with this type of entrepreneurship, but it pays off a lot of the time. And my favorite saying is scared money doesn't make money. You have to risk it for the biscuit. So a quick little update video. It turns out it was a lower ball joint and CV axle sleeve. So it seems like our CV axle is still in good shape. We'll obviously do a test drive to make sure it's safe, but for now it seems like we'll pass with just fixing those two things. We'll find out later though. I'll give updates. The interior on this car was kind of filthy, so we decided to take some time and clean it.
We just cleaned up all the glass because we had a broken window.
Yeah, so that's another expense we have to consider. We thought the window was just down, but that was our own fault. But it's okay. We're looking at maybe like $100 of expenses. So at the end of all this video, I'll be sure to include the expenses and the profit and everything we were able to do with this car to make it an asset and not a liability, because we're not in this to have a good car. At the end of the day, we just want to make money, and that's what this is going to consist of. So this is how you do it. You get deep down and hug it. It's like you try to go under the plastic wheel thing, and you go
Oh!
just like that.
Mechanic 101.
YouTube
Just like that, in the nick of time of the day, we have her running in the same day. That's crazy. We're about to go with the family. I managed to find a wholesale place that sells the windows. So instead of paying someone to do it, we saved that money and we got ourselves the window. It's a wholesale place, so it was actually cheap. It was like $50 for the window. So now all we gotta do, as you see here, it's completely broken off. We're gonna vacuum the inside so it doesn't rattle or anything.
We got like glass.
Yeah.
Too much glass in there. How much was the window? 60 bucks? 70 bucks?
50.
Oh, 50.
50.
Wholesale?
That's a steal, huh?
Wholesale, damn.
Yeah.
Where'd you find that place?
Google.
Google.
I'll put a link in the description. So our window actually works now. It rolls up and down. That's good. The one thing that just happened was a VSA traction control light, but I think it might just be the button, because it's not. I don't think it's a module because it's not in limp mode. So it should be just about another $30 of expenses. This happened after a turo rental, which this is only like the 4th day we've had the car, and we already made about $80 in rental money. So that's already money we made back while we wait for the title. So the touring is just extra income that we can make off of cars that we try to flip in the meantime. The total expenses was $3,900, and I'll be sure, but at the end of this video, I'll include a list of all the expenses.